Wow, so amazing, the yummy grill fish. Oh, selling by the man. Oh, so yummy, yummy. This one. See? Oh, my God. Oh, see? Wow, looks so yummy, yummy. Oh, grill fish. One only 0.75 dollar. So yummy, yummy. The grill fish. Oh. Oh, smells so good. Oh, make you hungry, everyone. Crayfish. Yummy, yummy. Uh, the man selling every night. Wow, it's vegetable. Oh, okay. Looks so yummy, yummy. Hot dog. Oh, wow. And he's selling every night from 8 to 12 o'clock at the doing market near the skyline, Phnom Penh City. Smells so good. Oh, the sausage so yummy, the sausage. Pretty quick. Oh, vegetable, chicken wing, hot dog. Yes, so yummy, yummy. With the ingredient. Ah, so amazing, man. See? So yummy, yummy. Wow. Oh, so many people come at night. People walk a lot at night. Oh, smells so good. Oh, sound so yummy, yummy. Make you hungry, everyone. Ah, so yummy, yummy. Unstoppable, hungry, everyone. Make you hungry. Look so yummy, yummy. I like to eat. I always buy it for dinner. It's so delicious. It's price and a good price and good quality. Look so yummy, yummy. Make you hungry, everyone. So yummy. He said about dogs, is it? Mm. So yummy, yummy. So amazing. Yummy, yummy. Uh, it smells so good. So yummy, yummy. Unstoppable hungry. Make me hungry. I'm so hungry now. How about you, Reborn? Smoke a lot. Smells so good. The smoke. It smells so good. Ah, I'm hungry now, right now. See? Yummy, yummy. I hope you guys like it. the video. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you next video. Good luck. Bye bye.